Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Mobile's Buzz 2.0. Today, we're diving into the latest buzz around the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. It's shaping up to be a game-changer in the foldable smartphone arena, with some exciting updates that we just have to talk about. Let's unfold the details. User-driven design updates. First up, Samsung's listening to its users. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is rumored to sport a revamped screen aspect ratio for both its cover and main screens. This means goodbye to the narrow cover screen that many weren't fond of, and hello to a more user-friendly design. Plus, there's talk about a slimmer optical image stabilization (OIS) mechanism for the camera, pointing to potential leaps in photography performance. IronFlex technology. Next, let's talk about IronFlex. This new tech is set to revolutionize the durability of foldable screens. Samsung's moving past the early criticisms of foldable devices with a stronger, more resilient OLED display panel. IronFlex aims to reassure users that the era of fragile foldables is over. Why it matters? Why all this fuss about the Galaxy Z Fold 6? Samsung's commitment to innovation isn't just about keeping up with trends, it's about setting new ones. With these advancements, Samsung is not just enhancing the foldable phone experience but also challenging the entire smartphone market to up their game. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is shaping up to be not just another release but a significant step forward for foldable technology. With user-requested design tweaks and groundbreaking IronFlex durability, Samsung is once again at the forefront of innovation. What are your thoughts on these updates? Excited for the launch? Drop your comments below. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this breakdown, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech news and reviews. Catch you in the next video.